Promise.race method in JavaScript. Promise.race method in JavaScript is used to race multiple promises against each other and return a new promise as soon as one of the input promise resolve or rejects. It resolves or rejects with the value or reason of the first settled promise. For example, we have to fetch data from multiple servers and display data as soon as it's available from the server with the fastest response time. For this we made three functions. First is fetch data from server 1 with a time delay of 2 seconds, second is fetch data from server 2 with a time delay of 1 second, and third is fetch data from server 3 with a time delay of 3 seconds. Then by promise.race method, pass all the functions, then it return the fastest response and console log the fastest response. Then catch the error and console log the error. And it shows me data from server 2. Because fetch data from server 2 is taking time of 1 second, which is fastest as compared to others. Again I change this function time to 5 seconds, and now it shows me data from server 1.